Hey guys, this is Miss Townsend. Remember, we're going to be putting steps on here, videos on here so that you can practice at home. So we will do the steps, not in order, but just the steps as we've learned so far, okay? All right, step number one, 2 different ways. Okay, so we've learned that one already. The other way to do that is okay. Now the only thing I didn't do, I don't think you can hear me clap up under, so make sure you clap up under that. But that's the same step 2 ways. The next step, the transition step. Remember, you're going to be moving with this one. I won't move because the space is kind of small, but we'll do the transition step. This is the one I just taught you this week. Here we go. Step, clap, over, step, clap, over. Okay? The last step that we've learned, this one is not a moving step, so this one's a little bit fast, but I know you guys can get this one too. Here we go. Oh, Townsend didn't do that one right. Hold on. Oh boy, I think I messed up. We're gonna try one more time. So go home, try those, come back to practice next week. Hopefully you'll have those, and then we can get ready for our performance. Thank you guys.